Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Analytics channel this evening, this fine Monday evening. Of course, as always here on Precision Data Analytics channel, it's all about blue chip stocks, and tonight's blue chip stock is another one of the bluest blue chip stocks, Consolidated Edison, Con Ed, stock symbol ED. Before we get started, big shout out to all the people, 100 plus people watched these videos yesterday. Thank you so much for every single one of those views. Of course, it'd be really fantastic if you gave me a like, alright? Just click that like button for me this evening, alright? Of course, before we get started, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It shall be used to make financial investment or trading advice. Also, two videos. First video, stock charts returns. Second video is forecast. Okay, so let's jump into our first chart. Of course, we all love the 100 moving average, 21 moving average, still well above the 100 moving average. And now we eventually dipped back. We saw some volatility here. We dipped down. Now we're moving back up towards 21 moving average. What about the MACD? Now the MACD is always interesting. You can see since middle. This is since probably late February, early March. The actual MACD line dipped below the signal line, and we've actually got some pretty strong negative short-term histogram bars here, don't we? First and last close of the month, we had 4 straight months where the last close is high and the first close. Now is a very good chance that March is going to wind up breaking that string, and we're going to wind up actually pretty close to breaking even, it looks like, unless something really strange happens tomorrow, okay? Bollinger bands, a little volatility back here where it went above, outside the +2 standard deviation, to dip down, up, and now back down. Now it's moving back up towards the center again. This -2 standard deviations held, and so it bounced back up. All right. What about the cumulative returns? Well, pretty crazy stuff going in April 2025, right? But again, the good news is we're still up for the year. We're still up about 10%. Okay. What if you invested $10,000 back in April? That now will be worth about $11,000. You're up to about between $800 and $1,000 to date. All right, drawdown, a little bit of crashes, maybe not so surprising for a stock like Consolidated Edison. So that takes care of the first video. Of course, again, do me a big favor, click the like button for me. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. Next video in just one moment, stock forecast.